Hi, Shay here from Crafting with Shay. I'm so excited to bring this one to you guys today. We have a brand new Munimade diamond painting kit just in time for Halloween. It is amazing. It's going to be my next diamond painting. As soon as I'm done recording this, I'm going to kit it up and I'm working on it. Let's talk about the details. This is called Embrace of the Pumpkin. It is licensed artwork from Kikowah. It is a round. And there are 31,888 diamonds. The image size is a 50 by 50 in centimeters. And there's your SKU number. You can see her hair through her dog because then you know that he's a ghost and she's holding her glowing pumpkin. So let's see what kind of special drills we're gonna have for this. There are a total of 56 colors. All right, and out of those 56, 3 are glow in the dark, that's the YG, and then the other 2 are ABs, which stands for Aurora Borealis. It's a special coating they put on those drills to make them sparkle just a little bit brighter. What I love about this entire sheet is a sticker. So what I do is I cut this off and I use this part of the sticker for my logbook. So all you have to do is just cut these off and put them on your storage containers. What I also like that Munimade does is, in case you don't want all this other information, you may not want the number, you may not want the DMC, you just want the symbol, okay, or the letter or the number. So she has that sticker just here separately, individually cut on the outside, which I think is amazing. I love that. There's even some extra stickers right here. Let's go ahead and take a quick tour of the canvas. You've got the legend here on the bottom left and another legend over here on the top right. It's got the thumbnail. It's got her logo here, but look at this image. Again, by Kikowah. She has some other beautiful images from her. So here's a brand new one. So out of the 56 colors, like I said, we've got the 2 ABs and the 3 glow in the dark. So let's go ahead and take a look at the color palette. Let's look at the drills. And I love how her drills are individually bagged and in order. So if you want to work straight out of baggies, you can do that. You can just move these, take these right out of here and just use the baggies to diamond paint from. But I love the colors, lots of purples and blues. Love it, love it, love it, love it. All right, let's see where the ABs and the glow in the dark go, okay? Let's start with the ABs. So here we have 741. It's a really pretty orange, like an orange yellow. And then we have 3756 AB. It's a really pretty blue, like a light pale blue. All right. So let's start with the orange. And that is that symbol. Ooh, okay. It's going to be right here. All this darker orange you see right here in the pumpkin and here. So it's going to highlight the top of the pumpkin and the sides. I also see it in her hair. I think this is almost like the glow coming off the pumpkin, like onto her hair. So it's right here. I also see a strip right here in her hair. Oh, that's gonna look amazing. Okay, so majority is gonna be in the pumpkin of that AB. The next AB, 3756, that is that symbol. That's gonna be down here. Kind of highlighting, you know what? It's almost like her arm is gonna be glowing because the pumpkin will be, you know, lit up. Oh, I love that. So it's right here. And I also see it, I'm just seeing if I see it anywhere else. Yeah, definitely right here. Oh, I also see it in her dog. Okay. Oh, this is really cool. Right here. I see it here. And let's see, his nose right here. Oh, it's also right here. So it's really going to highlight, yeah, it's going to highlight kind of some areas around the dog too. Oh, I'm loving this, you guys. We'll talk about when it's going to be available in just a minute. So hang on. All right, 52, 53, 54. These are all glow in the dark. So it's like a white, orange, and a purple. Look at that. Yes, they glow in the dark. All right, so 52 is that dash. Oh, yes, all in the pumpkin's eyes. The eyes are going to glow in the dark. And his mouth. Yep, look at that smile right there. All those teeth, that's all going to glow. It's also, let's see, I also see it right here in her, kind of like her face right here, at the bottom of her nose, in her eyes. And I also see it in the dog right here and here. So he's gonna glow and kind of all through here as well. See all those white spots? Those are all gonna be glow in the dark. Oh, and I also see them on the pumpkin here, all those spots. Oh, that's gonna look amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. All right, here's the orange. And that is kind of like a little paper clip. Oh, yep, all through here. So It's right here, kind of like in the shading, right here, all throughout the pumpkin. Yep. Oh, that's gonna look so good. Yeah, okay, so that one's just gonna be in the pumpkin. The pumpkin is really, really gonna glow and stand out. Then we have the purple. That is the check mark. Okay, I do see a lot of purple. So I'm just looking at all around, and I definitely start to see it all throughout the dog. This entire dog is gonna glow. You guys, this is all the check mark. All through here. His tail. I also see it right here. And where else do I see it? Yes, and right here on his ear a little bit. So I love it. They really thought of all the elements. The pumpkin's gonna glow, the dog's gonna glow, her eyes, some of her nose kind of shadowing her face. Oh my gosh, and I love her hair. You guys, this is amazing. But let's talk about some optional add-ons that you can include in your diamond painting, okay? A large, for this particular kit, we do choose the tray color and the bag color. So you will get a large dust bag cover, and it's got the drawstring. So it's great to keep your diamond painting protected. All right, so you can add that on there. Munimade offers a premium toolkit. You will get a large, this is just a swatch, it's not the actual size, it'll be a lot bigger than this. You will get a large orange tray with a lid and a stopper, okay? Yes, you guys. Awesome. Along with that, if you do a premium toolkit, you also do receive this really big organza bag with all these extras. So let me show you guys this real quick. You do get some blue wax. You get a pot of blue wax. Okay, love blue wax. You do get a random cover minder. You get some tweezers, random washi tape, and there is a fun novelty pin. And you also get a diamond painting pen with a multi-placer and an additional multi-placer, okay? It's so much. But you guys, there's more. There's more. Yep. If you also want to upgrade, you can also upgrade to a carrying tube. These are telescoping, okay? They've got this strap that's adjustable, and all you do is just kind of notch it. I have one, and I love it. It's great for traveling, and this just twists right off. And along with this, what you'll get is, with your painting, you get this tag. So what I do is I attach this to my tubes, and then when I'm storing them up on my shelf, these hang off and I can see which diamond paintings I have, okay? Now, you can also ask to receive a free toolkit. You know, a lot of us that have been diamond painting for a while don't need a toolkit. So that's why you just have to choose if you want a basic toolkit. We're just trying to help with waste, you know, things like that. But yeah, here's the basic toolkit. It has everything you need, okay, and that is free. So what do you guys think? Should we talk about when it's available? So one thing I did want to mention too, if you do choose to do a premium toolkit with the tray, it will, because these are made to order, it could prolong your shipping because these all will be shipped together, okay? And of course, if you order a dust bag or a tube, your painting will actually ship in these items, okay? Which I think is a great thing because it'll be like protected, ready to go. So this is available now. Go, 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 go. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to Munimade's channel, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye guys.